Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Photo Merge is a set of guided edits that let you easily perform advanced photo editing. The Photo Merge Compose lets you take two or more photos and merge specific elements into a single image. Photo Merge Exposure lets you merge your photos and retain only the best exposed parts from each. With Photo Merge Faces, you can combine facial features of different people to make funny new faces or photos. If you have several photos of a group of individuals, you can merge people from one or more of the photos together into the perfect group shot. Photo Merge Scene Cleaner lets you create a new scene by eliminating obstructing objects. Photo Merge Panorama is used when you have multiple photos of a very large area or object that you want to merge into a single image, like photos of a stadium or a large field. The tools each work in the same basic fashion. To use Photo Merge from within the photo editor, open the images that you want to use and ensure that you can see them within the photo bin. Then switch to the Guided Edit mode in Photoshop Elements by clicking the Guided button in the Shortcuts bar. Then click the Photo Merge button in the toolbar directly under the Shortcuts bar in Guided Edit mode to display the different photo merge types in the window below it. Select the photos you want to use within the photo bin, and then click the type of photo merge effect to apply to the photos from the choices shown in the Guided Edit window. To use Photo Merge from within the Organizer window, first select the photos to use in the Organizer window, and then choose Edit, Photo Merge from the menu bar. Then choose the type of photo merge to perform from the options shown in the side menu that appears. The selected photos will open within Guided Edit mode and start the type of photo merge that you selected. After selecting a type of photo merge to perform, specific instructions appear under the Photo Merge pane at the right side of the screen for the type of photo merge you are performing. Follow the instructions and use the buttons at the bottom of the pane to proceed through the guided edit. For some tools, you use the Pencil tool to make selections from images you want to transfer or merge into the new image, and you use the Eraser tool to erase any parts you selected that you don't want to keep. For other tools, you use the brushes and options that appear to make your desired adjustments. When you are finished, click the Done button.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.